Imagination and creativity are how we understand stories. When we are read to, we learn to see the images in our head and understand the story from its context rather than the words. This comes into play with word problems, also called story problems. And I found in my later years of teaching that more and more students were unable to imagine what was going on when they read a story problem. You can directly teach this skill though. Start by having your kids close their eyes and read to them the first sentence of a story problem and have them describe back to you in their own words what was going on. And do they understand what that is? Then you continue through that, doing it line by line, sentence by sentence. Do you understand what this means? Thinking about the units that are given on the numbers in the context of what's happening. Then finally, you focus on the question that's being asked. And you say, do you know what they want? And do you know how to get what they want? And most of the time I found that when a kid is able to see it in their mind, they understand better how to get what it is that they want, what it is that the question is asking for, that is. And then you get to the how do you figure the answer part. It takes practice for kids to learn how to use their imagination and their creativity in a math problem. It also helps to start with a math statement like 3 plus x equals 5 and have them write a story around it. Like, oh, I had 3 rocks and somebody gave me some and now I have 5. It's a context around a math sentence. It just helps them to understand that math problems and math sentences and statements are simply a way of describing a reality that they have context for. So, work on developing your imagination and your creativity in your math class.